Okay. April, below average. Yes. I would have to say this is, in fact, below average. The other one is that these forecasts are susceptible to So we had nothing but grass the other day. I don't know if I hold this steady, you can probably see the snow coming down. This is nuts. Not enjoying this. Sure the donkeys aren't enjoying it out there either. Yep, they're going back in the barn. Heck with this. It's not sticking on the road out front, but there is about 3 inches of snow. Oh, somebody's been walking over a bridge. Did you know somebody's been walking over a bridge? Dad, somebody's been walking on a bridge. Go check. Go check. Quick. Go look. Go look. Yeah, Yorkie's not going out in the cold. Alright, that's it. So yeah, I wish this was April Fool's.